Okay, today's date is 22 February 2022. Today's topic is method in string. First of all, my name is Atul Ashok Google Mugle and I did complete my graduation in BE Mechanical. So, I am from Ahmednagar district. So, let's go to on our topic. Methods in Java. Uh, First of all, string. String is the basically sequence of character or the operation performed on the string means the operation performed on the different character or more than one character. So there are many methods to perform the operation on string. I explain the list of some list of characters, some list of methods. First of all, the to carry to caret method, uh, join method, string method, blank method, empty method, to uppercase method, to lowercase method, to join method, contains method, concat method, index method. These various type of methods are used in our methods in strings or our performing operation on strings. First of all, I explain one by one methods. Uh, then first method is to uppercase. In this uppercase, the we perform the operation on the lowercase character, and it lowercase character is converting into uppercase by using the uppercase to uppercase method. Into uppercase declaration is basically string yes is equal to our character, and after that the our file name is file name dot our two uppercase, and uh, sys out and print our output. So this all string character are converted into uppercase. Then two lowercase method. In two lowercase method, same as our two uppercase method. In difference, only different is in lowercase two lowercase method. The all string are converted into lowercase, uppercase to lowercase by using the two lowercase method, and the declaration is same as the and only difference is the file name dot to lowercase is a method name changes only that. So two lowercase and two uppercase is two methods. After that, the joint method. In joint method, the two string s1 and s2 is joined with the help of our s1 dot join, and s2 is a method in join method. So this is our join method, and the after that the trim method is eliminate our character character in the string. So there are trim method are used. In trim method, declaration is yes dot trim, and after that the trim is completed. So caret method is basically used to define our character with the help of our index. In caret method, the index input is put, then the our output string output is displayed on our console. So this is our caret method. So after that the substring method. In substring method, used to display the string and the character in between the in between input input index. In caret method, his declaration is yes dot our yes dot our substring yes dot our substring and the sysout is printed. So the yes is our file name. So this is our caret method. Contains method is same as our substring method. So there are many methods also using in our string. So thank you.